Listen! The ground is breathing. From the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the Djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. No more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. Break it down. We are one, we are proud. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. We are one, we are proud. in minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swinging a war machine, something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. beat. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Djembe crawling through the smoke. Like a truth the city broke. Steel and concrete, bone and wire. Every step feeds the fire. Record swing in the metal storm. Something raw, something burn. Feel it rise beneath your skin. Let the chaos pull you in. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance. Lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain. Like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall. Echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, hey, hey, no disguise, hey, hey. We are the sound that never dies. Hear the bones speak. Hey! Hear the bones speak. Dust on my tongue, sky turn black. Walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist. Like a fist I can resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground in every silent heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Tongues of the rhythm shout, turn this inner chaos out. No more doubt, no way out. Let the tribes break out, break it down. Let the world shake hard. Break it down like a burning star. wakes inside like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within, break it down, let the earth shake loud. Break it down, we are one, we are proud. Hey, 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 hey. Concrete jungle, iron sky, still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, ancestors are always near. Every beat against my chest feels like I was born for this test. No more running from the sound, I let the spirit drag me down. From the dust we rise again, through the fire, through the pain. Hear the calling in my soul, taking back what I was told. Hey, fire beneath the skin, feel the power creeping in. Hey, let the darkness blend, this is where I win. Break it down, let the drums take flight. Break it down, into blood red night. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the fire, we are made. Never fall, never fade. Hey, hey. Fire beneath the skin, this is where we begin. Hey, let the spirit win, we rise again. Break it down, let the world collide. Break it down, we survive inside. Yeah, the fire still lives. The ground is breathing. Right. Higher skies over burning streets, where the future and the jungle meet. Djembe speaks in a sacred code, carving truth in the overload. Reggae wine through broken walls, calling out when the empire falls. Every strike on the ancient skin says the war is about to begin. We are not what they design, we are rhythm, we are sign. From the earth and from the flame, we will never be the same. Iron roots, revival in the sound. Reggae art and metal. Djembe thunder breaking free. This is our identity. Iron roots we rise again. Through the chaos, through the pain. No more silence, no more chains. We remain, we remain. Tight, 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 tight. Rise up. Rise up. electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow.